Make a great choice today with the 2007 Ram Pickup 2500. The Ram 2500 is built with sturdy hydroformed frames and capable four-wheel drive options to handle the toughest job site terrain while maintaining a smooth ride, and is priced below $15,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, chrome wheels, engine immobilizer, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input. Come take a test drive today.